Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the Bit Squad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. All right, so here we go. Let's talk about this story. This is why the market is dumping, okay? Old FUD, new BTC price tip, weeks old China crypto ban sparks Bitcoin price drop to $42,000. Old news suddenly gets picked up on social media, sparking an instant crypto price crash. Is that not insane? That all of a sudden, like the story comes out a month ago.
Yeah. No, it's ridiculous. I even read an article too that was talking about like, oh, they're just reminding people of the announcements they made months ago. And I'm like, well, nobody cared then. Why does anybody care now? Like clearly it was a non-issue.
Well, I had a guy from China send me a message this morning. A guy, an actual Chinese person, not like somebody I know that lives there, from America or anything like that. And he texted me. He said, bro, crypto's collapsing right now. China just announced that we're done with crypto here. I'm just like, that's not only does that FUD get out to us to manipulate the markets, but the people that live there are lapping it up too. They think it's going on, which I'm going to tell you something very interesting about this Chinese report that they put out regarding this FUD, basically what the story is about. Something that you may not know that is extremely telling and explains how all this is complete and utter FUD. Bitcoin suddenly lost $2,000 in an hour on September 24th. Is what appeared to be old news over a Chinese regulatory ban hit social media. Data from Cointelemarkets Pro and TradingView tracked BTC USD as it abruptly fell from $45K to $42,000. An actual Chinese person. Someone who a native of China is what I meant to say. I know I really botched that up. While I was talking, I was like, this sounds so dumb. What's wrong with me? The knee-jerk reaction came as the memo from China's central bank, the People's Bank of China, began to circulate online, criminalizing practically all crypto activity except possession. Its commenters noted, however, the PBOC originally released the updated guidance on September 15th, but posted it online on Friday, September 24th. Interesting. They released this on September 15th. On September 15th. Now it just came out today. Nonetheless, what now has become a classic source of BTC price pressure, fought over Chinese bans, was quick to take its toll on market sentiment. Here's Molly, Big Magic Dow. PBOC's announcement about banned crypto got widespread today. It was announced on September 15th, but got posted online today. The market already reacted on the regulatory FUD. These mother fudders. Thank you for that, Smooth Top. So here's the interesting thing. I really want to highlight on this here. Owning crypto is still legal. Owning crypto is still legal. So what are we looking at? We're looking at exchanges maybe having problems. We're looking at blockchain projects possibly having problems. Miners are already out the door. So this doesn't affect miners. They already know. So the question is, who is really affected by this to dump the market this much? Now, here's some really interesting stuff. Check this out. Sound familiar? September 2017, China Bitcoin ban sparked $20,000 all-time high in 3 months. The latest debacle over China's anti-crypto stance has a firm historical echo to it, and old hands are more than aware. And like I said, if you've been in this market, if you've been in this market for a long time, you don't care about any of this. This means nothing to you. China banning crypto means nothing to me. I never in my life would I wake up and say, China ban crypto, I need to sell everything. That's not a thing.
Somebody on Twitter was saying, if you believe this China FUD, you deserve to be poor.
Well, and look, we have a smart audience. We have an audience that is sold out to crypto. We know that. But there's a lot of people out there that aren't. And when they see stuff like this, you have to understand, crypto is such an immature market.
Mm-hmm.
But that's what gives us the opportunity to be able to still say that we're early. Okay, when the market is more mature, you're going to have lost out. You're not going to make money in crypto any more than you would make on the stock market. you're still early. The fact that stories like this that get posted 2 weeks after it actually happened can still tank the market is evidence of an immature market and evidence of immature retail investors that are just willing to give up their crypto at any given moment. Hodlers have been frustrated but remain unfazed by the news. The events have a ring to them. In September 2017, the original ban announcement sent Bitcoin tumbling, only to recover to original levels within weeks and set a new all-time high of $20,000 less than 3 months later. Same thing happened in 2017. Let's see here. Look at that. Wow. What a dump.
That's a candle right there.
Yeah, what is this? The 4-hour chart, maybe hourly chart. Oh, the hourly chart is right there. Yeah. So very interesting, but we've seen this before, okay? We've seen this before. When you look back at all these down price movements, we've had it a few times since 2019, and they usually lead to a parabolic move up. And I'm hoping that's what we see. I think something similar to this should be in the card. So point is, the story is overblown. It's not a big deal. It's been out for weeks. Calm down. Don't sell your Bitcoin. Don't sell your Ethereum. Don't sell your XRP. Don't sell your Cardano. Don't sell those things. We are once again entering this time when these people are trying to get you to sell. Just on the other side of every brick wall is a breakthrough waiting to happen. You can use that in your life, or you can use that on the markets. That's definitely the way that I feel.